In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Stock Relocation module. First, click on Stock and Stock Relocation. Here you will see a list of your previous stock relocation entries and their details. To add a new stock relocation entry, all you have to do is just click on Add New Item, and you'll be brought to the Stock Relocation Add page. Here you have to fill in the information regarding your stock relocation entry, such as the location, reference number, remark, and item information. So let's first begin by selecting your locations. So for the from location, we'll select where the stock originates from. So let's say location A, and to location, which is where the stock will be relocated to. So let's say location B. After I'm done selecting the location, I can also fill in the reference number and remark for future reference purposes. However, for this video, I'm just going to skip over them since they are not mandatory fields. Now moving on to the item information section. Here is where you will fill in the information of the items that are going to be relocated. So let's say I'm trying to relocate a tire. I'll type in the tire's item code, let's say XM2, and I'll click on lookup. And let's say I want to relocate this first tire. So I'll select it, and the system will automatically fill in the relevant fields such as its description and UOM according to the information I entered when creating it in the Maintain Stock module. Going back, we'll enter in its quantity. So let's say I want to relocate 12 of them. And I'll also select the UOM if I need to, and I can type in a remark if any. So after I'm done, I'll click on Add, and the system will create a list of items that I've added. Now if you would like to edit any information about this item after you've added it, you can also click on Edit over here and do your updating. After you're done, you can click on Update to save your changes. And if you would like to delete this entry, you can click on Delete over here. Other than that, if you would like to relocate an item that does not have an entry yet in your system, you can also click on New Inventory over here to create a new entry for it. After clicking on New Inventory, the system will bring you to the Stock Master app page where you can create a new item entry for that particular item. So after you're done filling in everything and double checking your items, you can click on Save to save your stock relocation entry. If you would like to print out this stock relocation entry, you can also click on Print over here. Keep in mind that both of these options will save your entry into the system. However, if you would like to discard this entry instead, you can click on Exit. So for now, I'll click on Save. And as you can see, my entry has been entered into the system. So that's it for adding a new entry. Now, let's say you want to edit the information of a particular stock relocation entry. Well, all you have to do is just find that entry in this list and click on Edit. After you do so, you'll be brought to the Stock Relocation Edit page where you can make your changes. So after you're done, you can click on Save and your changes will be made. Moving on, if you would like to print a stock relocation entry, you can also find it in this list and click on Print. The system will then bring you to the printing page where you can print out the stock location transfer note. Moving back, let's say you want to search for a particular stock relocation entry in this list. Well, you can either utilize the search bar down here or the search bar up here. The difference being that the search bar down here is more generic and can only search for keywords in this list, while the search bar up here is more specific and can search for values within certain columns. Now, let's say I want to search for the keyword B in this list. I'll type in B in this search bar over here. And as you can see, the system will return to me all entries with B in any of their columns. Now, while this is useful for quick and generic searches, what if I want to be more specific? So let's say I want to search for stock relocation entries that were created in 2023. So I'll go up here to this top search bar, and in the date from field, I'll fill in the date ranges. So in the first box, I'll select 2023, January 1st, and in the second one, I'll select 2023, December 31st. After I'm done, I'll click on Search, and as you can see, the system will only return to me entries that were created in 2023. Additionally, if you would like to filter out the entries based on column values, you can also utilize the funnel icon over here. So let's say I select these two and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries according to my selection. Finally, if you would like to sort the entries by ascending or descending order based on column values, you can also click on their corresponding column header, like so. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.